I'm on my hands and knees for, gosh, I don't know, 6 months out of the year. So let's get to work. Just taking the weight off my knees, my arms, and my shoulders is a game changer. Working the thing, go down, work some more, again, over the side. It's taking all the weight, all the pressure off my body, which is going to give me longevity and get me back to work. So today, forecast on the vessel is about 50 hours. Usually we go either side, a little bit, but I was able to shave 10 hours off this boat using this. Being able to use both my hands, I feel like I'm two people. I'm able to get in there, do the job, and get it done faster, with less pain. It's a game changer. That's all I'm going to say. Get it.
This thing is built to last. However, we know no two body types are the same, and you need to allow for flex. It's incredibly comfortable, and as you can see, as that rolls over, it creates a level of comfort for the user. This is all information.
First couple of days, it was one notch lower, and I moved it up one. I like it to be a little bit higher because I don't have the rocks far in my face. See how much more ground I can cover without moving? Yeah, it's got to be triple. My knees are way back here. There's no way I could touch this. I could touch that. There's no way. I have way more control being on this. Now I'm up on this. If I didn't have the backup, it'd be harder because I couldn't do this all day long if I didn't have it. I couldn't sleep at night. I couldn't sleep at night, man. So
Shipbuilding, plane building, industrial situations, we can't change the environment around us. We have to conform our bodies and contort our bodies to achieve, a lot of times, painful, injury-causing positions. The mid-range arm. This arm is great for projects such as welding, and where I have to maintain an otherwise uncomfortable position. Engage, find that perfect working position where I've got an angle on my work. I have two hands free, I'm totally clear of everything. Now I'm ready to focus on this weld. When you're done, stand up, disengage, back down. In this scenario, my weld is away from me. There's no way around it. This is when we use the long arm. We take it, pull it out, engage the arm, then pick that spot, that perfect spot that allows me that perfect hovering position over my work. Let's get some welding done. This arm allowed me to achieve and maintain an otherwise impossible position, which now allows me to move on to the next weld. That solid 3-point stand right here. Lift up, disengage the arm, and move on to the next weld. In industrial environments, whether that be shipbuilding, plane building, there's often times where we need to be working onto a surface that is uneven. Inside the fuselage, I'm having to lean and reach. It's devastating on our lower back. We carry all that load for however long we are doing that project. How do the long arms solve for that? Very simply. We take the arm, we engage it, we lift up, swing it around, lock it out. Now we take, extend the arm out, apply it to that wall. Now I'm offloaded. Now I am able to work here with all of that weight now being displaced onto that uneven surface. So now I can work here all day long. When I'm done, we just take, lift up, detach, and move on to the next project.